That BB gun isn't very powerful.
Go ahead, Dan.
It's only helped me a couple times.
Put a sock in the tire. Did it bounce off?
Yep. I popped it twice.
Get the gas tank.
Yeah, shoot something that'll make a good noise.
Get the gas tank. That's pure rubber. That's funnier. Just do it.
My neighbor's coming home. I'll let him at him. Alright. One shot.
Just do it already.
Pumps.
I'm running out of film.
I think we have some damage.
Very nice.
Let's see.
Where'd you hit it? I don't see anything. Oh, that's nothing. Just a little dent. Toy gun.
Bring her over here. I'll put a couple bullets in the...
Dan.
What? Actually, 15 pounds to a gas tank.
No.
No, hit the bug spray.
Bug spray.
Fine.
Dan, I'm running out of film. Help, please.